Good morning, my friends. And day 2 of my special week when I try to lose 2 pounds. So I'm sharing with you what I'm eating. So today I didn't walk. I gave ride to Diana to school, and I didn't stretch. I wake up very early. I cook food because I will have day out of my house today. So while I gave ride Diana to school, I ate quarter cup of sunflower seeds, apple, and I forgot name of these fruits, but I know they're so good. They're delicious and they have so many nutrients. So this was my first breakfast, and I consider it was about 300 calories. And it was between 7:30 and 8 when I consumed this. So now it's 9 o'clock and I will quickly eat my cheese soup. Here is 200 calories and celery and bell pepper. So total will be 500 calories in the morning, and I'm going to be out of house today almost all day. So I'm packing grapes, cheese, banana, and celery with me. And of course I will take with me a lot of water. This cheese soup, it's from carrot, potato, rice, onion, and cream cheese. So eventually I probably will share with you all these recipes too, but it's about 200 calories. And this is good, a lot of carbs. So I will eat, and I know that later I will drive. So in car I will do different kind of exercise like abdominals, crunches while I'm driving, or shoulders rolls, or some stretches, or toes work. So believe or not, but you can do some exercises when you are in car, and you even could feel how your blood start to flow faster, because I had no possibility to walk, and I don't know if I will have possibility to exercise today at all. So I guess I should to eat even less and try to do at least stretches if I will have chance. Or maybe some releve. Releve, it's when you go on your toes and back. You do those 25 and you feel like it's something going on in your body. So still try to move no matter what. You're driving in car and do your shoulder move or stretches, something. Or when you're at work, in office, always stay active, make your muscle work, make your muscle move. I love you all, and I hope I will have chance throughout the day to talk to you again. Love you. Bye.